To determine if MoneyGram is down, start by checking the official MoneyGram website for any service alerts or notifications. If there are no notifications, try using the service to see if it is working as expected. Next, check the MoneyGram social media accounts for any updates on service disruptions. Many companies use social media to communicate with customers about outages or maintenance. Another approach is to use online outage tracking tools, which can provide information on service disruptions and outages for various companies, including MoneyGram. These tools often rely on user reports, so the information may not always be accurate, but they can be a useful starting point. If you are still having trouble determining if MoneyGram is down, try contacting their customer support directly. They can provide you with the most up-to-date information on any service disruptions or outages. It is also a good idea to check for any scheduled maintenance, as this can sometimes cause service disruptions. Companies often schedule maintenance during off-peak hours to minimize the impact on customers, but it can still cause issues if you are trying to use the service during this time. In addition, consider using alternative money transfer services if MoneyGram is down. There are many other options available, such as Western Union or online services like PayPal or TransferWise. When using any money transfer service, it is essential to prioritize security and safety. Make sure to only use reputable services and follow best practices to protect your personal and financial information. By following these steps, you can quickly determine if MoneyGram is down and find alternative solutions if needed. Remember to always prioritize security and safety when using any money transfer service.